Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn to disassemble a Sceptre monitor. So here are full instructions to tear down and disassembly. Step 1. Remove the base and neck assembly. Place a soft towel or microfiber cloth flat on a sturdy workspace table. Lay your Sceptre monitor face down onto the towel to prevent scratching the delicate LCD panel. Locate the screws holding the neck stand to the back of the monitor housing framework. Unscrew these mounting points using a Phillips head screwdriver and lift the stand assembly away. Remove any 75 mm or 100 mm Besa wall mount screws positioned in the center of the rear casting. Step 2. Unfasten the exterior casing screws. Inspect the absolute bottom edge of the monitor frame to look for small recessed screws. Check beneath any circular rubber or plastic caps on the rear housing that might hide hidden fasteners. Use your screwdriver to remove all visible perimeter screws holding the back cover to the front frame. Place all extracted hardware into a small container or magnetic tray to avoid losing the different screw lengths. Step 3. Disconnect the internal button and joystick cables. Lift the back casing cover up slowly by just a few inches once all perimeter clips are released. Locate the thin, delicate ribbon cable running from the main circuit board to the physical control buttons or navigation joystick. Use your fingers or plastic tweezers to flip up the tiny locking tab on the cable connector seat. Pull the ribbon cable straight out of its socket to safely separate the back cover plate from the internal electronics. Step 4. Unplug the backlight inverter wires. Locate the thick wire, white or red or blue power wires feeding out from the power circuit board to the edge of the panel. Press down the small locking clips built into these plastic power cables. Pull the connectors straight out from their matching inverter sockets on the power board layout. Lift the detached main board and power board metal chassis completely clear of the display matrix shell. Step 5. Separate the LCD screen matrix layer. Remove any final perimeter framing screws pinning the outer metal rim to the LCD glass package layers. Lift the bare LCD screen matrix panel straight up away from the bottom backlight diffusion layers. Lay the separated control logic board and glass components flat on anti-static mats if you are troubleshooting internal components. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.